Hey, I'm Ray, owner and operator of Liberty Recycling Center here in Liberty, North Carolina. I'd like to welcome everyone to our facility. I've been asked to tell you guys a few things about us, and honestly, there's not a lot to tell. We're very small, hometown, homegrown, local business, very involved in the community. We recycle almost anything. Unfortunately, some of the markets have dictated some of the products that we can't do anymore, but we specialize in the metals, ferrous and non-ferrous metals. We do cardboard, glass, electronics, newspaper, newsprint, and those type of items. Unfortunately, we do not do plastic anymore, but there is a facility here in Liberty that can handle that. I've always been ecologically conscious, I guess you would say. Always wanted to do the right thing. Lived in Greensboro 35 years ago and even participated in the recycling program there. So very excited to be here. We've been here 7 going on 8 years and still excited about the business. I get up every morning. I don't dread coming to work. I love what I do. I love the people that work for me. I love my customers. And we specialize and we pride ourselves in customer service. We actually opened in 2011, June of 2011. It took us about 2.5 years to get this place up and running, believe it or not. There was a lot of hurdles to jump through, but we stuck in there and persevered and pulled that one off. So our business hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and then Saturdays we're open from 9 a.m. till noon. We specialize mostly in drive-up customers. We anywhere from farmers to local businesses. We do have several commercial accounts and hoping to grow that in the future. And just the everyday person that's cleaning up their backyard or cleaning out their garage. We try to accommodate everyone. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 336-622-3629. Be glad to help you.